Hello guys, and welcome to a special video of a unboxing of a package we actually ordered online. Now in here it is some Hot Wheels. I don't think this is the right box for it, as it was ordered from an online website, but it is going to have some nice premium models that we've got in here. So let's, now I'm using scissors. Danger. Let's do that first. Get it ready for the opening. And that side too. One, two. Okay.
Oh my god. Let's see what's in the box.
Now let's see what we got in the package for today.
Let's see, guys.
Oh, it's all falling out. Oh, a voucher.
Oh my god.
So look.
There's some new cars coming out.
That's that. That's for wine. So let's see.
Today, guys, we have a new video.
Wait. Let me get the box ready. Just do it like that. First one I ordered, a custom Chevy, which is the treasure hunt for the Rod Squad series. Let's focus on that, please. There we go. And I actually ordered a few of these just because I had to hit the amount. That's all damaged. So what we will do is we'll open that up. Yes, Moose? Yeah.
This is
Wait.
a black car.
And then we've got
cool
the McLaren F1 from
why did you get both of
Hot
them?
Wheels Premium Jay Leno Garage. The details on this look beautiful. And the other thing I was going to say is I've got a 1/12 scale model of this McLaren F1 upstairs. It is amazing, let me tell you that. So yeah, we've got that, and then we've also got Nissan 300 ZX twin turbo. Again, it looks really nice.
Whoa.
From the Ronin one. The details on obviously the premiums is always going to be a lot higher in terms of quality. I'm pretty sure metal base, you can already feel, well, you can't feel it, but weight wise you can feel the weight on these. Now here's a story I've got. So they had the sets for the Boulevard MBK van, which is cool, but I didn't really want to get this one, so I had to get it in the end because I had a feeling the items were going to run out. So I got this one as well, which was the two in the set that they had online. The Chevy Corvette Venco Stinger. Again, details very nice. Got all the livery badges, the detail on the back is there as well. I'm pretty sure they're all metal bases with the premiums, right? But here's where I was stuck. Out of the Exotic Envy set, they had number 1 to 5. So on the back, right here we've got this. Well, not 1 to 5. They had, no, it was different then. It was a different set. But anyway, I'll come show you. Actually, it might be this one. Was it this set? Yeah. Let's come back. Leave that one for a side. Come back to this one. Aston Martin V12 Speedster. Very nice looking car. 2-seater. The details. So yeah. The Lamborghini Reventon, the BMW Pro Car, Aston Martin, McLaren F1. Now, at the time when I looked, they had all 4 of these available. But then when I went to buy, guess what? The BMW and the Lambo were sold out, and then I had to buy, as I said, this guy, which I didn't really want to do, but I ordered it anyway. And then lo and behold, 2 days later, I found out guys are back in stock, but it's okay. We'll see if we can pick those up later. So yeah, here we got this. Another one, and then yeah, McLaren Speedtail from the Exotic Envy, but different series. This one's got the Alpha the Bugatti, the Lamborghini, and the Koenigsegg. Is this one. It's always nice to get premiums for a good price.
I have 3 of them.
And then we've got the Slide Street Mustang RTR Spec 5. Oh, here we go, focusing there. So these ones are pretty cool as well. I think I got 2 of these from the Slide Street one. Yeah, I did. So I got this one as well for the 2023 Nissan Z. Delivery on this one's nice. Paint job's really cool. I like it. And that one, I'm pretty sure, yep. And this one as well. I had the Lambo and the Nissan, which was out of stock, so got two for that one.
Yeah, take one away.
And then, yeah, here we go. Here's the other McLaren F1 as well. I said I know I've got 2 of these because I got the one from the Jay Leno one, which does look nice as well, actually. I don't know, guys. Which one do you think looks better? One in red or one in black?
I think one in black.
The black one, I think, looks cool as well. Yeah,
My favorite
really
is
nice.
black.
That's from Jay Leno's garage, but this one, yeah, is a newer set, so really looking forward to getting these ones open. And these ones obviously have the real rider wheels, so rubber wheels. And yeah, as I said, I had to order out in the end 3 of these and that van because the other 2 were out of stock to hit the limit for the yeah, you could take it away, yeah, to hit the limit for delivery and stuff. So yeah, I mean, that's our haul for the weekend. I think I got some nice beauties here. Believe it or not, all of these premiums worked out to about £4.80, I think it was, after all the discount that I managed to get online, which I think is alright. Well, they were, I think, £5 anyway on sale, and I know usually these can go for about anything from £8 to £9, I suppose, in the shops. So let's have a look. Let's try and adjust a few things here. So we've got 2 from the Slide Street set, just like there, and then we've got 1, 2, where are they gone? We've got these 2 from the same set, and then we've got these 2 from the same set, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, the van. Oh, I would have loved to get, oh, can't see it there. I would have loved to have got the Liberty Walk Skyline, but hey ho, it's alright. Still got these 2, and then these 3 were the random sets, singles. So at least we've got them now. So when I do find some others, I can add those to the sets as well. So that was today's special unboxing. Not opening, but unboxing for our premiums that we ordered. So, and obviously a treasure hunt as well from the normal main lines for the 2024 set. So yeah, I think we'll just pop this one open today. Why not? Let's do it. Let's open this one up today.
This one.
And I won't bother doing the packaging.
This is a new car too.
This
is a new car.
I know it's.
So let's put them together, I think.
You want to put them together?
Let's put all the big cars together.
Let's have a look at this.
Let's put all the big cars together.
Nice. So this treasure hunt, which is custom 53 Chevy, give it to the boy. You can go and do his racing with it. And my daughter is here too. What would you like, daughter? What would you like? You don't know, but it's okay.
I just like to see the cars.
You want to just see the cars? Well, they're all here. So we'll probably do another video for this opening at some other point, but yeah, let's leave it at that for now. Thank you everybody for watching if you made it this far, and we'll hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.
I got it open.